Would you like to know about a credit union with large credit limits that nobody's talking about? We just uncovered a credit union that's putting $25,000 credit cards, $25,000 personal loans, and massive home equity lines within reach. You don't have to have a government job, no perfect credit, and you can join right from your telephone.
That's right. Oklahoma City Credit Union is saying yes when the big banks are saying no. We're breaking down exactly how to join, get those huge limits, and unlock every product to level up your business and your life. So grab your notebooks, money magnets. The next few minutes could put tens of thousands of dollars in your pocket right this month, okay? Most credit unions want you to know somebody that knows somebody, work for a certain company, live in a tiny area, or know somebody who's on the board. But Oklahoma City Credit Union, hey, they're breaking the mold.
If you live, work, worship, or go to school in one of the eligible counties, then guess what? You're in. But even if you don't, you can join through a partner organization for just $5. It's that easy. And guess what? The biggest loophole, you can join if you're a part of another credit union. Did y'all catch that? If you're a part of another credit union, that makes you eligible for this credit union.
Oh, wow. That right there is a cash flow changer. Now, this credit union has been serving members since 1942.
Right.
And they have over $1.2 billion in assets, and they're approving people right now for credit limits that the big banks they'll be jealous of once they hear about this.
And guys, because they're nonprofit, they actually want to approve you. That means better rates for you, lower fees, and then you got real people that care about your financial success. All right, let's get to the main event, these credit cards. Oklahoma Central is approving $25,000, $35,000, even $50,000 limits through Elon Card Program. Make sure you like and share this video with somebody else.
Okay, so let's jump into the Platinum Rewards card, okay? So they have no annual fees, and y'all know how I feel about holding a card in your wallet with no annual fees. They give you cash back on every purchase and limits that can literally transform your financial situation overnight, okay? We're talking about real money in your pocket, money magnets. Let's go.
Look, we've seen people with a 680 credit score walk away with $25,000 limits, but you might not get that at Chase or Bank of America, but you can get this right here at Oklahoma Central.
Okay, so they got options for everyone. You know, you don't have to worry about, hey, does they have something that'll fit me?
Right.
Well, the Platinum card is for everyday spending, and it's rewards for those juicy cashback benefits that y'all know I like the benefits when you get cash back, or, you know, you can buy gift cards and all of that good stuff. Even a secure card for those who are trying to rebuild their credit. They look at the whole financial picture, not just the credit score, Marvin. That's important.
It is. And for business owners, this is a complete game changer. Imagine having $50,000 in available credit at competitive rates. That gives you money for inventory, marketing campaigns, maybe even emergency funds right at your fingertips. Look, if you're interested in a free business strategy call, comment capital below and we'll send you the link.
Okay, the wonderful thing about this credit union is the application process is streamlined through Elon platforms, which is good, and you get approved in minutes, not just weeks. That's how you move. And, you know, when you get in those good situations and you need money, this right here can most definitely help you.
Yep, and now let's talk personal loans.
So Oklahoma Central is offering up to $25,000 in unsecured, no collateral, no car title, just your signature. They are, you know, they trust you.
Right.
You know, so this is amazing.
And look, rates start as low as 8.49 APR for qualified buyers. Or even if you have less than perfect credit, they're still competitive in this market. Look, $25,000 at 8.49% over 60 months. Now that's a good rate. Look, guys, and remember, they pull Experian. And for the best results, I make sure I had a 700 credit score.
And one thing I love about it, Marvin, is if you want to pay this off early, no problem, because there's no prepayment penalties. They have flexible terms where they give you anywhere from 12 to 84 months, which that can be a cash flow changer for you. And you can get approved and funded in as little as 24 to 48 hours, money in your account. So speed matters when you're building wealth. So you don't miss miss out on opportunities that may come your way.
Exactly. And they had a couple of other loans I thought were interesting.
Yeah.
Loans for your generator, things for your house that you may need in case of a storm. You might want to think about it. And one of our money magnets grabbed a $20,000 personal loan, invested in a food truck, and now they're pulling in about $8,000 a month in revenue. Look, I love them because they have capital when you need it.
Hello, my name is Rachel.
My name is Tradarius.
And we are starting a food truck business. We needed the capital for our business, so Marvin and Glory helped us raise $50,000.
Yeah, it was a super quick and easy process. It only took like 3 to 4 business days to get done, and it went quicker than what I thought it would. So I highly suggest y'all shop with them. So contact them if y'all want funding, and a quick and easy process to get it done. So yeah.
Work smarter, not harder.
This is a good way you can use it for debt consolidation, business ventures, home improvements, emergency funds. You know what I'm saying? This loan can be your financial lifeline that can help you. We get so many money magnets that reach out to us and they need money now.
Right.
This is a good credit union that doesn't take a long time to process your loans or to get you approved or to put the funds right in your account.
Right. And need a vehicle for your business or personal use. Oklahoma Central finances up to 110% of the vehicle's value. That gives you enough money for the car, taxes, warranties, gap insurance, all rolled into one payment.
Can I get my car? I'm going to keep asking every video, Marvin. Now, Marvin, their rates are consistently 1 to 3% lower than what dealers offer.
Yeah.
You got that, Marvin, right? Right. So I can get that new car, right? Okay. You can get pre-approved before you shop.
Okay.
Marvin, are you going to get pre-approved?
Yes, Glory.
Okay. And you're negotiating with cash in hand, not begging for financing, not going to the dealership, getting points added on the back end. You're going in with your financing already in hand.
Right. And it doesn't matter whether it's a new car, used car, motorcycle, RVs, boats, whatever it is, they finance all the vehicles that you might want. And guys, you can do this without having a dealer mark up on you. And like Gloria said, make those extra points. Don't go to the dealership looking for money. Go there and have negotiating power to buy your car.
So Marvin, did you tell them that they refinance existing loans?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so what that means is if you're stuck in a high interest rate loan from a dealer or with another bank, you can save hundreds of dollars every month by doing a refinance with this credit union. That means money back in your pocket, and you can use that to invest. Interest rates make a difference, money magnets.
Yep, and it's not what you make, it's what you keep. Now, for homeowners, this is where you can really unlock the wealth sitting in your property, okay? Oklahoma Central offers both home equity loans and home equity lines of credit that can change your financial trajectory. Guys, if you tap into that home equity, you might be able to do real estate or start a new business.
Most definitely. Home equity loans give you a lump sum at a fixed rate, which is perfect for big projects, Marvin. Debt consolidation, or if you want to invest, it's there for you. Home equity lines of credit gives you revolving access, like giant credit card secured by your home. You know that right like that. That's money to do whatever you need to do.
Exactly. Look, you can access up to 90% of your home's value, often at single digit rates. We had one money magnet pull $85,000 out on their home equity line, buy 3 rental properties, and now they're collecting about $3,200 a month in passive income.
Wow. That right there is amazing. But the process is streamlined application process, reasonable closing costs, and the funds are in your account within 30 to 45 days. That's fast money for big moves, money magnets. That's what it's all about, a streamlined process.
Yep. So whether you're buying your first home, upgrading, or refinancing, Oklahoma Central has conventional loans, FHA, VA, USDA, and even jumbo mortgages that go up to $2 million.
Okay, now let's talk about what sets them apart from other credit unions. They keep most loans in-house, which is really important, Marvin. You don't have to worry about, them farming your loan out. So then it takes a longer process for you to get approved. So you're dealing with real people who know your name, not some call center in another state that
Yep.
is trying to collect the documents. You know, everything is done right here at this credit union, and they're very personable, so that's important.
Yep, and I would make sure for the best results that I would have a 700 credit score on Experian if you're looking at their personal products. Now, if you want to do a mortgage, home equity line, home equity loan, you want to have 700 on all three scores. Make sure you got your pay stubs, last 6 months bank statements for a home loan, and maybe 2 years taxes. And guys, remember, remove your freezes or your fraud alerts.
Now, Marvin, we are dropping some gems to our money magnets. That's what we focus on, empowering your finances.
And look, guys, make sure you comment capital below if you want a free business strategy call.
And don't forget, like and share to someone that may need this video. But hold up, because I have a gem.
What you got, Glow?
Okay, money magnets, if you're looking for another credit union that has high limits like this credit union, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.